Introducing our most affordable backyard greenhouse kit. Professional strength in an HOA friendly size. Built from heavy-duty 1 3/8 galvanized steel, this 10-foot by 12-foot greenhouse is made to last season after season. Inside, you've got nearly 8 feet of height. There's room for tall crops and to work comfortably inside. Each kit includes pre-bent hoops, 36-inch ground post, a ridge pole for stability, and the same 6 mil greenhouse film our professional growers use year-round with a 4-year guarantee. It ships in multiple boxes, which means no freight is required, and it goes together easily with standard tools. And don't forget, these kits ship free to the lower 48. Optional upgrades let you customize your setup with roll-up sides, shade cloth, or an end wall door frame kit. Fine-tune your environment for everything from summer greens to fall crops, and at 120 square feet, it fits most HOA and city limit standards while giving you serious growing potential. Bootstrap farmer built to last.